So we're halfway through this World Cup. I think what's been interesting is looking at the fans and those who have made the most noise. Very interesting to see where they're from. The Senegalese, incredibly colourful. Ghana as well. Saudi Arabia, their noise against Argentina. The Argentinian fans have been brilliant. Mexico and Iran, the Iranians against Wales was absolutely fantastic. The colour and the noise and the vibrancy they brought. So I think further proof this is a global game. It's not just the preserve of the Europeans and the South Americans, and it's those sorts of fans who, if you like, have come to the fore most of all here during this World Cup. And you have to say, a one-city World Cup, it seems, is really not such a bad idea. And I'm certain FIFA are thinking about that. The travel's very straightforward. For the players, they love it, of course. They don't have to move hotels at all. But the travels work really well, getting in, getting out. You have to say, banning beer at the grounds doesn't seem to be the world's worst idea. It's very calm coming out. There's none of the aggro, let's be blunt, that sometimes there is coming out of football grounds. So I think what I'm saying is sort of halfway through, one's beginning to almost feel a little bit conflicted because we know exactly what's going on off the pitch. We've discussed it all, radio, TV, newspapers and so forth. But the experience here, I have to be absolutely fair, is very calm, it's very easy, it flows well. When you're at the grounds, we're either in the studio or we're outside on a platform, and that is incredible, particularly for the pundits to be able to smell the game. Roy Keane always says you've got to be able to smell the match. And physically being there rather than being in a studio elsewhere in town is a very positive experience to really understand what's going on. So I think what I'm saying is at the sort of halfway point, maybe a lot of us are beginning to feel a little bit conflicted and going, this is going quite smoothly. Are we allowed to feel that? Are we right to feel that? We know what the stories are off the pitch, but it's actually been so far been a very good and a very interesting experience.